Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to try out a few makeup items that I recently purchased from Shein, but mostly I want to see how this works. This is the Wing It Waterproof Liner Duo, and it's that liner that it has the triangle shape, so you can easily do wing liners. I really want to see how that works, but I also bought some colorful liners, and when I swatched them on my hand they looked a little bit too oily and I'm kind of afraid to apply them on my eyes. So this is what I'm going to do in today's video. If you guys want to see if this works, then keep on watching. Okay, first I'm going to zoom you in a little bit more, and I did purchase, that's a little bit better. I did purchase a lip balm from them, and as you can see I had a situation now is almost cured, and I really hope this won't do any damages. I had a little bit of lip gloss on, so this is the lip balm I was talking about. I don't have the box, I don't know what I did with that, but this is in the shade 02 Pink, and I feel like they only have two shades, the clear one and this one in pink. It doesn't smell, which is really nice. I'm very impressed. Let's see. Oh. This looks hella pink. It feels okay, it feels buttery, and it has that waxy taste, which no bueno, but it feels very hydrating. I would say it's a lip balm, what can I say? But I want to go on their website to see what this claims to do. Okay, so this is €3, but I end up paying €1.99. This color changing, oh yeah, definitely color changing. I mean, it doesn't look bad. I do kind of like this type of pink on me. This color changing balm adjusts to the temperature of natural pH of your lips. Okay, so my lips feel pink today, giving them a radiant glow. Well, yeah, I kind of see that. A nourishing formula made from olive oil, avocado oil, and nourishing vitamin E keeps lips soft and moisturized. Creamy light pink color changing balm. So that's all the info they have on their website. Yeah, this feels very nice, like a normal lip balm would feel. It doesn't smell, as I said, but I still taste that waxy, I don't know, kind of weird. Moving on, I have two colorful eyeliners, and when I swatch them on my hands they feel super oily, and I don't know how I feel about that. I'm a little bit scared to apply them on my eyes, so I got the green shade, which is called light green. And then I have the 02 silver. I think this one felt a little bit more oily, so it comes with this type of applicator, and okay, let's apply this on my eyes. I feel like it dries so fast. Yeah, definitely dries out super fast, so you want to move quick. Ah, no! Oh my god, the color looks pretty okay. I'm going to try to build it a little bit. I really hope my mic doesn't pick the music, because my neighbor is playing piano. Okay, not my best work, but we can move on. I'm going to try the green one. Lime green. This is not pigmented. Like, where is the pigment? I already have my opinion about this, so if you want to try them out, go with the silver one, because it's more pigmented. Alright, moving on, I'm going to try the Wing It waterproof eyeliner, and I bought two of them because they were on sale. Let me tell you how much I paid. So I bought two, right? For one I paid 3 cents, and then for the other one I paid €1.99. So I guess it was buy one get one for free, but they also charged me 3 cents. I don't get it, you guys. As you can see, 3 cents. And then for this one I paid €1.99, and it's €3 right freaking now. Double-sided liner with precision tip and wing stamp to create the most perfect winged look. Long-lasting, pigment-rich color that stays put and doesn't smudge. Alcohol-free, waterproof formula that's gentle on the skin and easily removed with warm water. 100% cruelty-free. Our manufacturers do not affiliate or use ingredients from sources that are not cruelty-free. Okay, so let's try this puppy. Let's see. I mean, it has that marker felt tip, and I feel like you can't be very precise. I do prefer this type of liner. Is a little bit more small and slim, as you can see. This one is also from Sheglam. This is the Balm.com. So yeah, one side it has the felt marker tip, and then we have this triangle shape. I'm going to put the cap on because I don't wanna. And as I said, I'm super curious to see how this works. How should I go? Like this or like that? I'm a little bit confused. Alright, so how should I place this with the thin line facing out or facing in? Why is this so confusing? I got super confused for a second. Okay. Help me. Okay, so yeah, I was right with the thin part facing out. And now I'm going to take the other side and, I don't know, kind of continue. I'm going to connect this right here. Okay, that was easy. I feel like the stamp is not huge, so you guys, this is so cute. I feel like the stamp is not too big, so it will fit small eyes. I do have small eyes, which is very thoughtful. Well done, Sheglam. So now I just, I don't know, wing it, I guess. Okay, I feel like this is the most beginner friendly stuff I ever used. Well done, Shein. I'm super impressed. Let me do the other eye, cause we all know it's so hard to make them look similar. I mean, not identical, similar. You heard me right. Oh, yeah, this is the hard part, trying to match them. Alright, not bad. Not bad, you guys, not bad, but I don't know, I feel like this side is a little bit more, wow, it looks okay now. It's a little bit more dry. I do really like this type of small baby wings. I feel like they look nice on everyone, and it looks super black and pretty matte, if I say so myself. As I said, buy this only for the stamp and go and use your favorite wing liner to wing it. You feel me? This one is so freaking good. I did bought a backup because it's that good. I'm not even joking, you guys. So that's that. Don't stress too much if your wings are not perfect or they are not identical. They don't have to be identical, they don't have to be perfect. We are not perfect, so don't stress too much. But I feel like this is the perfect tool to start doing wings, especially if you have shaky hands, or as I said, probably you are afraid to do wings because they never turn the same. So I feel like this is perfect for you. And for €2, oh my god, this is a bargain. So I guess that's it for today's video. I don't have anything else to try. I do like this lip balm, and I feel like right now it doesn't look as pink as it looked before. I'm going to apply just a little bit more because why not? Let me know down below if you are curious to try this out, because it worked for me and I feel like it will work for you as well. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one.